Hi, this is Ben Baxter with Accent Software. Wanted to bring you another quick tip on Dynamics 365 Business Central. This is a great tip for those that need to insert text that is very repetitive. So I want to show you on a sales order what's possible. Entering an order and it has a whole bunch of lines on it. Normally I'm entering items or resources, things like that. But you also have a comment line. And yes, I can just freeform type whatever I want, but you have the ability to do what's called a standard text. So I can type TY and a message pops in that says thank you for your business. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Just allows the system to have pre-formatted, well-written text that you can drop into a sales order, a purchase order, that sort of thing. What if I want it to be a little bit more expansive than that? For items in this system, when we sell an item, we can have an extended block of description or text drop in below the lines that describe more about what the item is. We can do the same thing with the standard text. So if I drop in here the Happy New Year, what's going to happen is it not only says Happy New Year, but it says as we wrap up the year, yada, 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 all of this additional lines of text drop in. That is called extended text. Now I'm doing it here all in standard text as just an example, but make sure you know that this also works for items and it's really easy to set up and connect. If you have questions on this, if you reach out to us at Accent Software, we do specialize in manufacturing companies, but obviously this applies to everyone. So we're happy to talk to you and learn more about your business.